Good morning. It's Saturday and we're ready to go out to the mall to do some last minute shopping and we'll see where it takes us.
Are you gonna pick me up there?
Are you going to be ready?
No, just
Pink
go.
Band-Aid. We're gonna drop mom off first and then go to the mall.
When are you gonna be finished? I gotta take a picture of her. She's just so pretty.
Lower the volume, please. So mom just came from the salon and she looks like a supermodel.
Hey buddy, what up, bro?
Do you see her? Mom, do you see the camera?
Yes.
Hi. See, she just came back and we just finished from the mall, did some last minute Christmas shopping. And now, where are we headed to?
I think we headed to the...
go to your thing. We have no time.
We can go tomorrow.
Mother-daughter bonding time tomorrow.
We can go tomorrow.
Just make the appointment now.
Yeah, I'm gonna call her.
The lady is waiting for me because before she's doing my eyebrow, but I don't like the way she.
The mall is crazy.
Really? Oh my god.
Yeah, like
Oh man, it's so crazy. But everyone was looking at me, mom, because I'm so pokey.
Oh my gosh. Anyway.
Like, he's super pokey, like, oh my god.
The mall was insane. I don't know.
Are we going to the yard?
Yes, we are. Like people just, I hate people that they just walk so slow and they like idle. Like who does that?
Or the people that take the escalator and don't walk, they just stand
Well, the
there
right
like
side,
it's a ride.
the right side you can stand. The left has to be free so people can walk. So now we're just heading to my cousin's house, drop mom off there and pick the cousins up, and we're gonna head out. We don't know where. Oh my god, look at her. Nora's so pretty. Let me see.
How dare they ask you to retire? You look like 20.
Hi. Why? I don't care.
That's how you are now?
Yeah.
Follow Abby. Make her uncomfortable.
We're at Winners looking for Ira's present, right, BB? Are we getting her clothes?
Whoa. Who should keep
Ellen?
Ellen?
No thanks.
Wait, Ira's a little bit bigger, right?
Yeah.
What?
So it's still raining outside and it's so ugly out.
These are dope.
And now we're shopping.
Is Ira ready for these? Abby.
It's okay.
To do what, Abby?
So just decorate the house.
All done.
I'll give me this for Christmas.
I'm using this weird language. Hi! Don't lick it! Spark's so excited to see everybody. So excited!
Yo, you are on camera, bro.
You're so excited! Where are you going, Sparty? Where are you going? You're so excited! I know! You see too many people. Hey, Na. Looking for a shirt?
Yep. I look for Jason's. Were they there?
Those are April's shirts.
I
I have big shirts there. In there.
want that. Dirty money.
Loser. Those are the worth April. Spark.
Oh. That's a dope boy. Well, I kind of can't record
Get
it.
down.
Deaf, man.
Get down. Sit. Come here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't think it fits.
Oh my gosh.
That's no good.
Vargas always saw he's like another one.
This ain't bleeding profusely.
It does fit.
Can you say
No, it doesn't fit.
It does.
really like
It doesn't.
Oh
Look at
shit,
this.
Spark, you're too fat.
Look, it doesn't fit.
Want another word?
Oh, Sparty. Maybe they'll have more at this Walmart, the bigger one.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Means you lack the ability to do
You like the coconut one?
I love the coconut one.
I hate it.
I like the regular ones.
I leave it. I only eat the regular one.
The shortbread with beef.
Oh, there's shortbread there. So we bought this, and it's too small for Spark.
Yeah,
Like he's crazy. You know, everybody's
I
here.
actually wanted to get
the same shirt that I wore for your thing. I wanted to get my initials embroidered on the sleeve.
Yeah, he did that to all his clothes.
Because my cufflinks have my initials already.
Wow.
So
Wow. Wow.
That is so trill. You like that, eh? Can I?
Oh, that's so cute.
you're earning your keeps now. She's earning your keeps.
David!
He's actually so cute.
Look at Janelle in the background.
Come on, peeps.
Look at me in the background. I'm there Look
Look
too.
at, we're watching videos on
We're watching videos.
the PS.
Is Abby, it's summer again. Look what Abby's wearing.
Just looking back at the crazy stuff that I used to do.
It's not crazy.
Bobby can stay.
I'm super confused.
Oh my god!
What I was wearing though.
Doritos. What is Abby wearing at these? Like,
Yo, tell me I'm bigger there.
yeah. Tell Bob. I'm bored.
Whatever test they want to do,
So let's play heads up. I don't know how to play. Is it like Pinoy Henyo?
Yeah.
Boxing! Oh!
Yeah.
Why are you guys so far?
So mad. Make it so mad.
Yeah.
She's seen these all already.
I don't even. Oh.
What is
Play
that?
the trumpet flute.
tuba.
Can you stop the thing on the TV?
Which was a great place to have. The Walt Disney.
Playing a guitar.
You had your big premiere.
Playing bagpipe.
Yes. Ooh.
Orchestra. You're playing golf. Hockey. Other way, man. Cutting a tree.
Yeah.
Not really, but. Eating an orange. Eating a popsicle. Eating a.
Oh my gosh.
They're too young for that. They won't know that.
Oh no, we know that.
You know, what was that commercial?
Yeah. Where they're like, oh, I've seen it. Okay.
Let's go.
Spell vlog.
They have
It's
a
kind of
hole
like
in your
TNT.
Got holes in your
Not
tights.
scripted.
Got holes in your tights.
What's
You know.
TNT?
I know.
Okay, we can't vlog with holes in our tights.
It's okay.
Give her a pillow. Give her a pillow.
It's
Switch
totally
sides.
socially acceptable. I just want to watch this.
Is it really socially
Gotta
acceptable?
I mean, if Miley could do it, so could I.
I think her holes were intentional.
Oh.
Let's right down. Do your bell?
You say yeah, okay.
Playing pool?
So yeah.
Swimming pool! Jogging? Running? Stretching? Exercising?
Get out of the way, get out of the way.
Trying to get a fart out? Pass!
Am I doing it
Pass.
properly?
Yeah, but I can't see you.
Digging a hole? Shoveling? Shoveling soap? What was it? Putting a lotion, washing your hands, soap? Washing your hands?
Yes, it is.
Reading a book?
How's that?
Wait, what the?
Over.
Oh, you changing a baby diaper? What the hell? Playing frisbee? What did you throw? What was it?
What the hell?
What? A boomerang?
Apparently it comes back like that.
You should-
Fireworks. Popping champagne. Riding a scooter. What? Riding a scooter. Yes. Hurry up.
Yo,
Plucking your eyebrows. Shoveling the snow.
Come here.
These guys suck.
Pulling something.
Abby, go get me some water.
Come on, man. I don't know what
Abby,
you're
go
doing.
get some water. Angel, grab me some water.
Cleaning the house, sweeping the floor, mopping the floor. Yes. Oh.
What
Jumping
the-
hurdles. Yes.
What kind of clue is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh.
Speed skating. I was speed skating, okay? Oh, that was so done. I'm all done. I don't want to play this.
Oh my god. Showed almost died.
It was speed skating.
got that, right? Yeah, I got that. That was epic.
I also got the smack cam too earlier.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Should I start it?